from Te Aratū Peninsula. Started this business about 2.5 years ago now. So there's plenty of jet boats around New Zealand, but there was nothing in Auckland, so saw the opportunity there to start something up, and so far so good. We have a lot of families, a lot of tourists of course. There's about 22,000 tourists that come into Auckland every day from around the country and around the world. But also the domestic market of Aucklanders bringing their families out for a spin around the harbour and seeing what we've got to offer. It's a fast thrill ride. It gets your adrenaline pumping. So we go out on the harbour, under the bridge, out towards Mission Bay and Rangitoto, and it combines a few fast spins and turns and a bit of wave riding, and you're all dressed up, nice and waterproof. Our skippers that we've got here are all got fully commercial licences to be able to operate a jet boat like this on a harbour. So we go through a training program with them of how to drive this machine. It's 600 horsepower, it's got 2 Volvo engines, so it takes a bit of driving, but we've mastered it all now.